record it.
Alright.
Ready?
Come here, kitty. This is Kitty's first leash. The baby don't like a leash. Can we get out?
There she goes. She's figuring it out now.
Come on, go ahead. Well, don't pull her.
I'm trying not
Leave her alone. She'll go. Can we leave her alone? First leash ever. She likes sliding. You think it's... Come here, kitty. She's mad. I don't want to be on a leash. That's what a leash is for, pulling. Come on, baby girl.
Kitty!
Give your baby.
Try pulling her.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. Go get Coco. Come on. She's got to get used to it, that's all. Isn't she cute? Her first leash.
Oh no, idiot.